And now, this is NCTA.
Happy holidays, everyone. I'm KaCee Jo Saffer from Flagler, Colorado, and I'm a first-year student double majoring in Agronomy and Agribusiness Management here at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture. When I toured NCTA, I knew immediately it was the right place for me. I love the hands-on learning, the real-world experiences, and the small campus environment where you actually get to know your instructors and classmates. Here on campus, I'm involved in Collegiate 4-H and FFA, the Farm Bureau Club, the Crops Judging Team, Student Senate, and I serve as a Student Ambassador. Before attending NCTA, I had the honor of serving as the 2024-2025 Colorado FFA State Secretary. I traveled across the state meeting members, visiting chapters, and advocating for agriculture. For my high school FFA chapter, I competed in multiple speaking events and career development events. Finally, earning my American degree at National Convention this year was an incredible milestone. I could not have asked for a better first semester of college. Here at NCTA, I have competed at a crops judging contest in Salt Lake City, toured multiple Nebraskan industries, and have made many lasting memories. The instructors are always willing to go above and beyond for all students. If you want a college where you can jump in and learn by doing from day one, come tour NCTA. You can schedule a visit or apply online at ncta.unl.edu. I hope everyone has a great year.